How to share your Behance profile link. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can share your Behance profile link. So if this is your question, ensure you watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Behance account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, this is how the page looks like. In this page, in the search bar, you'll see the URL for Behance, such that once you copy and paste this anywhere, it will bring you back to this page, and then you would see other options as well as other products on Behance. Then once you've seen this, the next step is to navigate to your profile and move it to the top right corner where you can see the profile icon. Once you see this, a box will be displayed. In this box, just go ahead and click on Behance profile. Now, there are two ways on how you can share your profile link. The first way is by after clicking on your profile, by the top part of the screen here, you can see your URL, right? Once you copy this URL, have access to the profile link. So once you've copied it, just go ahead, open your tab and then paste it there. And once you paste it there and it loads, you'll be brought back to this page here. Alright, and this is the basic way of how you can share your Behance profile link. And then if you do not want to do it that way, you can just go ahead, go back to your profile icon here and then click on settings. Alright, so once you click on settings, you'll be taken to the account settings page. But before then, you would have to verify your identity first. Once verified, this is how the page looks like. Now you can see account information, Adobe ID, right? And then you can see Behance URL. So this is the correct URL. So all you need to do here is you just copy this and then paste it to someone. Once the person clicks on it, he or she will be brought back to this Behance site automatically. So this is how you can go about this. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.